In this Chyron 66, we'll focus on Chyron Paint and how to effectively use a second screen as a presentation window. First, ensure Paint is closed. Connect your second screen. Once connected, now you can launch Paint, which when it loads, will automatically detect the second screen. Now in the main interface, you'll see at the top right a play button icon. Clicking this will launch Paint's canvas into the second monitor. Now begin adding your illustration tools. For example, we can add a circle, an arrow, and add a highlight tool. Basically mark up all the key moments of your clip, and all the changes done in your main display is instantly seen on the second screen. And that's it. That's how easy it is to present your illustration work to a second screen using Chyron Paint.